going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. Let's get started. Now simply type www.google.com in the URL bar. Press enter on your keyboard, and now we're on Google Chrome. Notice that now you'll see the option to sign in. You can click on this option here. By clicking, you'll come to this page, and on this page, since you want to create a new Google account, you'll click on this option, Create Account. Go ahead and click. They'll ask here if you want an account for personal use for your son or daughter or for your work. In this case, I want an account for personal use, so I click to select it. Now you'll enter your name, okay? The first name, the last name here is optional. I'll enter the channel's name. I've entered it. Now I'll click to continue. Here you'll enter the month, day, and year of your birthday. I'm going to choose a fictitious month here, but ideally you should enter your actual birth date and year, because if there's any problem, you can recover your account. For gender, you can click here. Here are the options. I'll select female here, but you can choose whichever you want, then click on continue. They'll ask you to choose your email address here, so they'll give you some options and you can click on the one you want. They gave 2 options, and the third option is exactly for you to create your own address, okay? If you want to create one, you can click on this option to enter the name you want. In my case, the name I want, which is the channel name, is already here as the first option, so I'll select that option and click on continue. Now you'll choose a password for your email, okay? I'll type mine here. I've typed it in, you enter it at the top and confirm it below, okay? Click to continue. They'll ask you here to enter your phone number. You can select your country's flag and enter the number. I'll enter my number here. Once you've entered your number, click continue. They'll send a code to the number you provided, okay? They'll send it by text message. I've already received it here. Just check the code so you can type it in this space. It's really quick. I've already received it, so I'll enter mine here. Once you've entered the code, click on continue. Here you can enter a recovery email address. If you have another email, you can type it in this space. I'll type another one here, but if you don't want to, you can skip it and leave it blank. I've entered it. Now I'll click on continue. They'll show you your email address. You'll see your account information and you click here to continue again. Here are the privacy terms. You need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, then click here to agree to the terms of service and also to agree to the processing of your information. After clicking here, just click on Create Account to create a new Gmail account. It's simple, folks. There you go, your account has been created. If you look, you'll see a letter appear. In this case, it's the initial I used for the Gmail account name. If you click here on Gmail, you'll go straight to your Gmail account. As you can see, I just created a Gmail account.